What's up, guys? My name remains Oluwatosin Adeyanju, and this is just an analysis slash a trade idea for gold. It's not a financial advice. Please be careful how you approach the financial markets. It can be very volatile, especially leverage trading. And at first, I want to say, in terms of news, we are not expecting much for today as well. You can see that most of them are have no impact in the past. And even the high impact news for today, which is the unemployment claim, it actually is released every Thursday. And many platforms don't consider it an high impact news. So that is just throwing that out there. And that will be by 2:30 p.m. It does cause some spike in the market, but it is still quite manageable. And moving forward to the chart, you can see that yesterday we had a bearish engulfing candle. And right now we have the low of the day for yesterday already traded even before London this morning. And that is telling us one thing: the market is going into a bit of a sideways phase, perhaps in anticipation of the non-farm payroll release tomorrow. So we can expect a bit of sidewaysness, but that does not mean we can't trade it, especially if you are a lower time frame trader like myself. So going to the 30 minutes time frame, we see that we have a steady grind to the downside in the pre-market, and then we do have a rejection of lower prices at the previous day's low, which is right here. And in all sincerity, longing the market right now may have a bit of a lower chance as opposed to the price being above the weekly viewer. And that is why I'm going to perhaps be reducing my size even as I approach the market for today. But ideally, I don't want to short good right now. I don't like shorting good right now. So I'm going to be looking for a trade higher. The problem I have is the proximity of the price to a potential target. The first target is this day view up right here. Next target is the weekly anchored view up. And the last price target I may be going for during London will be the daily opening price. And one of the approach or the strategy or a recent trade that I missed it, yes, is that the market rejected from previous day low during pre-session, and then we have a quick retest of the previous day low during the London session, and then we have a trade above. I'm going to be looking for that today as well. And mostly I'm going to drop to the 5 minutes time frame. And I have a model that I trade right here about that I created after I missed that trade about swing formation around previous day extreme to be the previous day low in this instance. And I have it combined with 30 minutes as well, which should make a bit of sense to me. And we are now an hour to London session. So I'll be looking for that. I'm looking for that. If I don't get that, I'm going to look for a trade. The trade above, targeting the anchor view up, the VPOC, the week value view up, and then the previous the daily open price at most. I'm not going to be looking for longs and target the previous day opening price or the previous day high. No, that will not even be in my trade scope at all. So that is the idea for this morning. A long trade on gold, as long as we maintain above the previous day low, targeting the view up this volume clustered area and also the daily opening price. So if I get into a position, I may mostly be leaving them, and I won't be willing to take a trade around the weekly anchored viewer. No, I will not be most likely interested, except you really find a quick trade that can enter around VPOC here. And that is the idea for trade this morning. That is what I'm looking at in the market. So we love good trades. I'll see you guys in the afternoon. Bye for now.